Embracing the long view, overcoming daily setbacks for long-term success. Today, we are going to talk about keeping your eyes on the prize and focusing on the long-term goals even when daily challenges try to derail you. Let's dive in and discover how you can overcome daily setbacks for long-term success. But first, this is Ash Cash Stash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's dive in! Chapter 1: The Daily Grind versus Long-Term Vision. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life, but often, this can lead us to lose sight of our long-term goals and visions. We tend to react impulsively to daily events, like market fluctuations, without considering how they fit into our bigger picture. It's crucial to maintain a stable mindset and not let daily setbacks overshadow our long-term plans. Do you find yourself getting caught up in daily concerns? How do you stay focused on your long-term goals? Chapter 2: Lessons from Experience. Drawing from personal experiences such as flying in a helicopter and brokering deals, we could illustrate the importance of efficiency and looking beyond daily routines. These experiences serve as reminders to focus on larger goals and not to get bogged down by day-to-day challenges. Setting ambitious goals and staying committed to them, even in the face of obstacles, is key. Chapter 3: Making each day count. By reflecting on our calendars and how we spend our time, we can ensure that each day contributes to our long-term goals. We encourage listeners to make each day more meaningful and memorable by focusing on longer-term aspirations. It's about not letting daily struggles overshadow the potential for growth and success in the future. Before we move on to the next segment, it's time to join the Subscribe Squad. Hit that like button and stay tuned for awesome content. Chapter 4: Strategies for Staying Committed. To stay committed to your long-term goals, it's important to develop strategies that help you overcome daily setbacks. This could include setting daily, weekly, and monthly milestones, prioritizing tasks that align with your long-term vision, and regularly reviewing your progress. Additionally, surrounding yourself with supportive and like-minded individuals can help you stay motivated and focused. In conclusion, it's essential to prioritize your long-term goals and visions over daily concerns. By staying committed to your goals and maintaining a positive outlook, you can overcome daily setbacks and achieve greater success and fulfillment in life. Remember, it's all about embracing the long view and keeping your eyes on the prize. Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploring the importance of focusing on long-term goals. Once again, this is Ash Cash Stash. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video. And for more engaging content on economics, business, and personal finance. And also, we'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so be sure to leave a comment below. Until next time, keep your eyes on the prize and stay committed to your long-term goals.